Hi guys, so welcome. This is the bonus reading for April 2022 for the next 6 sun sign. बाकी की 6 जोडियाक साइंस या राशियों के लिए ये रीडिंग है अप्रैल 2022 की. हम शुरुआत करेंगे लिब्रा यानी तुला से और हमारी लास्ट जो जोडियाक साइन होगी वो होगी मीन यानी पाइसेस. सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं लिब्रा. देख लेते हैं हमारे पास में क्या मास्टर कार्ड है, क्या थीम है नेक्स्ट मंथ के लिए, क्या एडवाइस है. सो लिब्रंस, ये अगर आपका बर्थडे आप सेलिब्रेट करते हैं सितंबर 23 से अक्टूबर 23 के बीच में, तो ये रीडिंग आप लोगों के लिए है. ओके, सो आई एम गेटिंग नंबर 3, हार्टएक एंड लॉस. The guidance from tarot for the month of April for Librans, तुला राशि. tarot प्लीज हमें गाइड करें. Libra. Okay, so I'm getting the moon reversed, wheel of fortune, knight of pentacles and strength. Okay, so friends, तुला राशि लिब्रंस, अप्रैल मंथ हमारी थीम है नंबर 3 विच इज़ क्रिएटिविटी एंड विच इज़ ऑल्सो अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन. इट इज़ ऑल्सो हार्ट टेक एंड लॉस. ओके, सो अप्रैल मंथ फ्रेंड्स, लिब्रंस कार्ड्स बहुत स्ट्रांगली इंडिकेट करते हैं दैट थ्रू sheer strength of your emotions and mental and emotional energy, you will turn the tide in your favor. देखिए, ये रोलर कोस्टर भरा मंथ है जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि fortune will favor you and you are somebody who will really do justice to whatever is the circumstance. And I see that a relationship gone wrong. I see some kind of very close friendship wherein you have being cheated, you are being cheated, or emotional loss. I see sadness and despair. If I have to be very specific, then I see for few Librans a very emotionally taxing period जिसमें किसी person के बारे में आपको कुछ चीज़ों का पता चला है. Some facts you have come to know, so but still you are not very clear. Okay, either you have been lied to. I think a relationship wherein some kind of truth will be revealed to you. And I see the month of April wherein with a lot of mental strength you dealing with this. Okay, so the moon card in its reverse form is telling me that still, okay, you are not very clear as far as emotions and your personal relationships are concerned. If you are somebody who are in such a relationship wherein the partner is not completely true to you, or something which is not very pleasant, you have come to know, April is the month wherein you'll try to deal with it. Okay, I see also some kind of फ्रेंडशिप में डिसेप्शन. ओके, कोई फ्रेंड है या फिर कोई ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंट है या आपके कोई नज़दीकी पर्सन है जिनके ऊपर आपने बहुत भरोसा किया था और शायद वो उस भरोसे पे खरे नहीं उतरे हैं. तो आई फील दैट ये आपको एक काफ़ी टैक्सिंग पीरियड देने वाला है, ये जो हुआ है आपके साथ में. ओके, समवेयर मुझे नई जॉब या नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की तरफ आप जाते हुए दिखाई देते हैं, Librans, but things are not moving the way you want, so please be patient. You are very patient. Okay, and somewhere you have realized that a lot of hard work and little bit of luck is what you require this month. Okay, if you are in the process of switching jobs and you already have an offer, please, the cards tell me that you have to read the offer very carefully. Okay, don't get swayed. ओके कोई भी फाइन प्रिंट, कोई भी पेपर साइन करने से पहले उसे आप 2 या 3 बार पढ़ लें और उसके बाद ही साइन करें। कोई भी चीज़ आप अनकवर्ड या ब्लॉक्ड या आप पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखें। कोई भी चीज़ को आप जस्ट ऑन द फेस वैल्यू आप मत ले लें। आई सी दैट a favorable period is coming, so if as I said, अगर आप जॉब चेंज में हैं, आपको ऑलरेडी ऑफ़र मिल गया है तो बहुत अच्छा है। लेकिन अगर आप अभी भी जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं और आपके मन मुताबिक जॉब्स नहीं मिली है, पीरियड ऑफ सर्चिंग फॉर जॉब्स, गोइंग ऑन इंटरव्यूज़, वेटिंग फॉर कॉल्स फ्रॉम हेड हंटर्स इज़ कंसर्न, देन अप्रैल इज़ द मंथ जहाँ पे चीज़ें थोड़ी चेंज होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी। ओके ये स्लो ग्रोथ है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये आपके फेवर में होगी। अगर आप ऐसे लिबरल हैं जो अपनी प्रोफाइल छोड़ के कोई दूसरा काम करना चाहते हैं जो आपका एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज़ नहीं है, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टेक यू थिंक अबाउट इट, ओके, बिकॉज द टाइम एंड दिस particular spread tells me that you should do what is tried and tested. Don't take too many risks right now. Okay, the opportunity is already there. I see you soon getting a good job opportunity, but don't get too much into taking risk. Okay, be very careful and be very practical about things around you. मनी वाइज मुझे लगता है कि ये मंथ थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे रहने वाला है। आई फील दैट थोड़े से एक्सपेंसेस आपके बढ़ने वाले हैं, तो बी केयरफुल। ओके, समबडी इन द इमीडिएट फैमिली आई फील विल नीड सम काइंड ऑफ मेडिकल अटेंशन और सम काइंड ऑफ मेडिकल टेस्ट, जिसमें आई सी यू स्पेंडिंग सम मनी। ओके, and I also see you taking care of somebody who's unwell at your house. It could be your spouse, it could be an ailing parent, it could be a kid, your kid, nothing serious, but I see you tending to that person in the month of April. As far as relationship is concerned, I see a very nurturing relationship. I feel that the both of you, like you and your partner, are in sync right now in April. Okay, they are very supportive of whatever you are doing and they'll keep supporting you. As I told you, that people who are recently separated and maybe going through a tough time in their relationship, please take a break or just don't, अगर कोई आपको और तीसरा इन्फ्लुएंस करने की भी कोशिश कर रहा है तो just think about this and check the facts, see the logic, only then you decide what you are going to do about the relationship. I feel that the overall energy of this month for Librans is the month will test you for your mental and emotional strength, and yes, I feel that you are very much capable. It is a slow moving month, but I'm telling you, period of good gains is coming to you. A lot of good opportunities are coming to you and time is coming in your favor. So all the best. Hi Scorpions. So if your birthday is between October 24th to November 21st, yes, you are a Scorpion, वृश्चिक राशि, और ये बोनस रीडिंग अप्रैल की Scorpions आपके लिए है। वाटर साइन, लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है हमारे पास कार्ड्स का। So number 6, and the theme of the next month, Master card tells me harmony. Okay, so let's see. Scorpions, I see 3 of Swords, Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, and 3 of Cups. Okay, so friends, Scorpions, the month of April, I see that people who are searching for a job, okay, Scorpions, searching for a job, I see great opportunities of you getting a good position, a leadership role. It could be, see, I see you moving towards stability, okay, especially in your professional life. सो आई सी दैट अगर आपने कहीं जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया है तो आपको बेटर पोजीशन मिलेगी। करंट कंपनी में भी चांसेस हैं कि आपको बेटर पोजीशन मिले और लीडरशिप रोल मिले। ओके, एंड आई सी दैट पीपल आर सपोर्टिंग people are very supportive of you. You are very well liked for your professional ethics, for your professionalism, and this is a good time जहाँ पे आप अपने decisions खुद लेने वाले हैं. Okay, guys, I feel if you are somebody who's looking to upgrade and hone your skills, a new small course is coming up in your life, and I think you are deciding to take up a small certification course and upgrading your professional skills. Okay, that is there. Also, Scorpions, if you are somebody who's recently in the past become a single, that is, you just recently had a breakup or a divorce or just separated from your partner, I feel that हाई चांसेस दैट अप्रैल मंथ में ना सोशली आप किसी को मिलेंगे. Okay, so it could be at work, it could be during a get together party or some kind of event that you are attending, wherein you get somebody who will be immediately or instantaneously आपके ऊपर, मतलब बोलते हैं ना, it will be an instant connection, और you guys will hit it off, जिसे कहते हैं एकदम इमीडिएट कनेक्शन बनता हुआ मुझे नज़र आता है अप्रैल में सिंगल स्कॉर्पियंस के लिए. पीपल हु आर in troubled marriages, I see that either you are going through a rough patch, maybe you have you are going through a legal proceeding as far as your relationship is concerned, or divorce matter is going on, but somehow I feel that you are managing all this very well. Okay, and you are very sure about this. Okay, I feel that you're at a place wherein you're very stable in your thought, and you wanted this. Singles, I don't see you waiting for that one perfect love. I feel that it's a month wherein you are spending a lot of time, you will spend a lot of time with your friends and family, and you will socialize a lot, but I see a lot of self love and time that you are spending on your own for your self growth and for your self development. If at work there is a superior or somebody at a higher position than you who is specifically a female is kind of judging you. Okay, so don't try to be too relaxed, and don't try to be too chatty, and don't get into too much gossip at work. You have to be very prudent and be very careful. This person is really judging you. Okay, you can see she's seeing these people, and her word really matters. So if you are somebody who's really ambitious and who wants to make a mark in the field that you're working and in the current organization, be very careful. Okay, somewhere I feel that in your close circle there are high chances that some kind of gossip is going around your personal life. Okay, and you should be careful about sharing your personal things with a lot of people. Don't trust too many people. Okay, I also see a lot of Scorpions getting into some kind of memorandum of agreement, or some kind of contract, legal contract. It could be work. If you're entering into a new work, then it could be signing your offer letter, or meeting the HR or legal, some kind of that kind of activity I'm seeing. For Scorpions, for your health condition, I feel that if you are somebody who has little issues regarding your health, a minute surgery might be suggested. A period of rest is suggested for you in the month of April. I see that there is a lot of satisfaction as far as your personal life is concerned. However, professional life is concerned. However, personal life, I still feel you going towards the period of stability. You're still not there. Okay, and you're struggling, but don't worry, this is a temporary phase. Let us see what the energies of the upcoming months tell us. People who are already in a very happy relationship and satisfied relationship, I feel that this month is something wherein your partner will come out in your support and also support you for your professional achievements and your work related issues. Okay, so overall I feel, Scorpions, this is a great month for your professional development. Be wary, don't be in company of people you don't trust. High chances you'll be disappointed, and use your communication skills to your betterment. Do not go and say anything which is very loose to people whom you don't know and you don't trust. Okay, so that's all for this month. Bye bye. So this bonus reading for April 2022 is for Sagittarians, Dhanu Rashi. If your birthday is between November 22nd to December 21st, this is for you. Okay, let's see. What is the theme of the next month? What is the card telling us? The Master card. Sagittarians cards, please हमें guide करें. Conflict and defeat, number 5. Cards, please guide us. Sagittarians, Dhanu Rashi, guide us for the next month. Okay, so conflict, the Magician, the Sun, very nice, and Page of Pentacles, wonderful. So guys, Sagittarians, April 2022 आपका जो मास्टर कार्ड है, जो मेन कार्ड है, मुझे कहता है नंबर 5. दैट मीन्स गोइंग टूवर्ड्स स्टेबिलिटी by fighting a lot of competition, conflicts, things not in favor of you, but you're still struggling and keeping to go. This is a card which tells me conflict and defeat. Okay, this is the theme of the next month, but what exactly the other cards are telling us? Okay, I see the month opens up at really a conflicting level for you, Sagittarians. I feel that at work, okay, I feel that a lot of competition is going on. You're trying to prove yourself. Okay, some idea or some concept or some project that you're working on, there is a lot of confusion in the beginning. Okay, but definitely the Magician card hints that you are going to come up as a winner. You will manifest whatever you wanted to achieve from this very well, and I see you getting all the limelight, all the success. So see the month which tells me that the start of the month will be on a very competitive note, a conflicted note, challenges. You with sheer hard work and a lot of dedication, commitment and focus towards your goal, okay, and commitment, you will turn things towards in your favor. Okay, both these cards are absolutely telling me that the month will be in your favor. I feel that if you're looking for a new job opportunity, okay, you already have some kind of offer. This is what I feel. Okay, and this is something that you really wanted. Okay, and you've worked really hard for, and अप्रैल में मुझे लगता है कि आपको मिलने वाला है. आपका स्ट्रगल पीरियड तो ख़त्म होने ही वाला है, पर ये जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलने वाली है, एंड समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक ग्रेट, जो आपको चाहिए था और आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, अगर आप ऑलरेडी कहीं पे एम्प्लॉयड हैं और आप कहीं ग्रोथ के लिए आप वेट कर रहे थे, तो आई फील दिस इज़ द टाइम जहाँ पे अगर अभी तक आपसे बात नहीं की गई है ग्रोथ की, आपको इनिशिएट करना चाहिए, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत इजीली मिल जाएगी. ओके, एज इफ just things are waiting for you to go and just take action. Okay, पर्सनल लेवल पे मुझे लगता है कि रिलेशनशिप में मुझे लगता है कि या तो अगर ये सिंगल साइड एक तरफा रिलेशनशिप है, तो आई फील दैट द अदर पर्सन, ओके, डज नॉट शो दैट काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन यू, एंड somewhere you will learn that this person is not interested, and you'll try to come out of it. Okay, you will accept the situation as is, Sagittarians, and you will come out of it. Okay, you would not you would decide that you want to go towards more fruitful things, and you will not waste your energies here. So even though I see you coming out of it, I feel that there are new doors opening up in the same month for you. Okay. mm, I feel for some Sagittarians, news of a newborn baby also is coming. So it could be that you guys are in the journey of parenthood, and April will see the news, the newborn coming into your life. It's a period of great joy, energy, and young and youthful kind of energy that I see. I also see that money wise there is some new opportunity coming up in your life. So as I said that maybe this particular project that you worked hard for, some kind of some new thing will come out of it, maybe a new position, a new opportunity, but this is a slow moving opportunity, and in April you have to just lie low and wait, and maybe in the upcoming months you'll come to know what exactly and how it is shaping up. Okay, for students I feel this is a wonderful month. Okay, I see that you're not giving up. Okay, there is a lot of if you are studying for competitive exams, etc., I see that you're doing well. Okay, you're studying, not giving up. Somewhere I feel that in the next month, Sagittarians, you have to be careful with money. Okay, I feel that there is a chance that you will go overboard. Okay, I see that some of you guys are will party a lot, will meet a lot of friends, or there is a chance that you will make some heavy purchases which you will regret later. So it's as an advice, I'm just telling you beforehand, try to manage your or budget your expenses well in advance. I see that there is also a chance of you taking up some kind of new hobby or some new course. Okay, it could be I see some kind of physical activity which you might take up, maybe some kind of sport, something which will really rejuvenate you and bring up the energy levels. Okay, as far as love life is concerned, if you are already in a committed relationship, then I see a period wherein both of you are very focused on your relationship, and both of you are working hard to keep this relationship going on. Both of you know that both of you are very important to each other. I see in the beginning of the month there is some friction or some imbalance in the relationship, some kind of arguments also, wherein I think if you back out and you don't you be very diplomatic, then things will be really good in the latter part of the month. Okay, and I see that overall the energy of the month professionally for Sagittarians I see is very good. Even academically, if you are looking for studies, great month. Okay, so all the best. Hi Capricorn, so if you celebrate your birthday between December 22 to January 19th, you are a Capricorn यानी मकर राशि. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट मंथ आपके लिए क्या लेकर आ रहा है, क्या मैसेज है, क्या हमारा मास्टर कार्ड है. ओके, सो दिस इज नंबर 16, डिसरप्शन. लेट्स सी कैप्रिकॉर्न्स टैरो डेक से हमारे पास में क्या एनर्जीज आती हैं आप लोगों के लिए. This is 9 of Swords, Empress, King of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so मकर राशि, Capricorn. गाइस, जो नेक्स्ट मंथ है नंबर 7 की एनर्जी दिखा रहा है मुझे. देखिए 6 + 1, और द मैसेज ऑफ द कार्ड, मेन कार्ड इज डिसरप्शन. ओके, disruption means things not going in the way you planned. Okay, and you coming out of your comfort zone. देखिए जब मुझे लग रहा है कि mentally already आप जानते हैं things are not going in your favor. Okay, especially आपकी personal life में. So this month is telling me that you will take a lot of decisions regarding your personal life. Okay, and So if you are a Capricornian who are in a relationship which is too toxic, sorry, and you're not able to handle it now, and this is the month wherein you will take a decision, you will decide enough is enough. आई थिंक ये रिलेशनशिप आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. देर इज़ सम काइंड ऑफ too much of dependency that I see on the other person, and there is also a kind of energy that I see, that you feel that you're very obligated, and you don't want to do the wrong thing. Okay, it could be a long term relationship wherein both of you worked very hard and put your heart and soul into the relationship, but somewhere now you feel that this is not the right thing to do, and but you're not able to gather the courage. But trust me, once you come out of your comfort zone, okay, you come out of these shackles, okay, things will be beautiful. Okay, once you take a decision, or at least the realization that this is not for you, it is giving you sleepless nights. I can really see it is really disturbing you mentally. Okay, it is a big stress in your life. A period of self love and self growth, you will pave the way if you take this decision. Okay, so I see that at least that realization and a lot of burden that is this relationship is creating on you, Capricornians. Somehow I see something positive coming out of it. Okay, अप्रैल ऐसा पीरियड रहेगा आपके लिए जहाँ पे आप अपनी आंखें खोल के अपनी अपने आपके लिए क्या बेटर है, और आपके सेल्फ ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट के लिए ये रिलेशनशिप क्या कर रहा है आप देखेंगे, एंड देन थिंग्स विल मूव इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई सी. आई ऑल्सो सी couples who are planning for taking the next step in the relationship, that is towards parenthood. Some kind of good news is in the offing. Yes, there could be a news of pregnancy. I also see a lot of people who are Capricorns who are singles. Okay, they are really enjoying a period of singledom. Okay, there is also, I see new love coming in your life. I see the initial stages of attraction and going on a date, and the other person working too hard to please you, or to attract you, and you are really enjoying this period if you are single. Okay, for your Capricornians, for your work life and your studies, I feel this is a great period. If you are thinking of taking further education, then this is a great period. It is also a period which tells me that you should upgrade your skills. It's a card of upgrading your skills. If you are somebody who has just started the journey of his business or her business, a startup, started on your own, the period that I see is very satisfying emotionally, but money wise I see you going extra mile to work hard. This is a great period. April is a great period for you, Makar Rashi, to actually take stock of your for your financial stability. I also see great chance that you are going to invest in some kind of asset for your future. Somewhere I see that a lot of you are focusing completely on building a very secure future for yourself, and you do not want to take any risks with whatever you are doing. It is something which requires a lot of hard work, but you are really ready for it. Okay, on the other hand, I also see some people who are in a very boring and mundane job, and somewhere this month will push you, literally push you to change the things. See, this is telling me that you have to come out of your comfort level, be it your professional work, be it your personal work, your self development, everything. So initial मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा disturbance create करेगा ये, ओके क्योंकि नंबर 7 की एनर्जी भी है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा इनिशियल स्ट्रगल भी मुझे लगता है, लेकिन ये आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करने वाला है, और फ्यूचर मैनिफेस्टेशंस मुझे लगता है आपकी पर्सनल गोल्स जो हैं, आप स्लोली स्टडीली अपने गोल्स की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। कैप्रिकॉन्स, अप्रैल मंथ मुझे प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे आपके लिए नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लाता हुआ भी दिखाई दे रहा है। देखिए, मुझे कहता है कि कोई नई अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है इनकम की आपके पास में, तो बी ओपन टू सच अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड थिंग्स आर गोइंग ग्रेट। प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ. If you experience frequent headaches, migraines, seek medical help, and take care of yourself. Okay, I'll see you soon with the next readings. Bye bye. Hi guys, so this reading is for the next month for Aquarians, यानी कुंभ राशि. अगर आपका बर्थडे जनवरी 20 से फरवरी 18 के बीच में आता है तो डेफिनेटली ये रीडिंग आपके लिए है. एक्वेरियंस, देखते हैं आपके लिए थीम क्या है नेक्स्ट मंथ. व्हाट इज़ द एडवाइस, व्हाट इज़ द मेन कार्ड टेलिंग फॉर यू एक्वेरियस. तो दिस इज नंबर 7. चूज वाइजली. आई सी मेनी ऑप्शंस कमिंग योर वे. एक्वेरियंस, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, the Emperor, the Star. Wonderful. Okay, so Aquarians, material and financial abundance definitely in the next month. Okay, I see work wise, okay, this is a great month. Okay, as the main card tells me that you are already doing very well in your career. You have achieved a lot of financial goals, and April month में मुझे लगता है I see a lot of Aquarians scouting for their property. Okay, so you are trying to, or you will try to search for a property. You are trying to buy a property. I also see a promotion on the cards. Okay, a wish that comes true professionally. I feel some kind of promotion, something that you wanted and worked hard for a long time. Okay, there could be an opportunity of job change, I mean role change also. So maybe you are working in one particular field, and in the same company you get an opportunity to work alongside other people in other verticals or other fields. And I see some kind of kind of background check or work that you are doing. Okay, you don't want to take risks, yet you want more growth. Okay, these two cards tell me that there could be some kind of argument at work with your superiors, or if not work, then there are high chances that there is some kind of communication gap, or something that that is in your mind but you're not able to express it to your family, maybe your parents, maybe some kind of relationship gap or issues I see with your parents. It could be father or mother, but I feel more so with your father. Okay, some kind of argument or something wherein you guys are not on the same page. Okay, for people who are looking to get settled as far as marriage is concerned in their personal life, I feel in the next month there is an opportunity for a match coming up, which is chosen by your parents and family. And I see you like you're very much geared up for that, Aquarians. I see that if you are already in a steady relationship, you want to take it ahead, but maybe I think the other person is not yet ready. You have decided and you are already seeing a very clear future with this person, but this person is not yet ready. Okay, and this card really hints you decide what is your priority. Okay, if this person doesn't want you in their life, then you decide what you have to do. Okay, I'll leave you with that. As far as if your situation is like that, Aquarians. um, if you have been single for a long time or you're looking for love, I see new opportunities coming up, but not very recently. Something which is working, coming towards you, but it's a slow moving thing, and it'll take its own time. But yes, don't lose hope. Things are going to turn in your favor. I see if you have parents who are recovering from some kind of illness, or their health was a concern for you, things will be great in the coming month. Okay, they are healing. In fact, there is a lot of healing energy I see for yourself also. Okay, I see that in the past with a loved one there was some kind of disagreement or argument, and harsh words were exchanged. Somebody, I think, in your family. Okay, uh, you will try to amend that, and you will try to make it up with that person. So I see good energy flow. I see good communication coming in towards the end of the month. I feel that for some people, a long distance relationship might if you are in a long distance relationship, it's not practical for you to move on, like continue with this. There are a lot of communication gaps with this person I'm seeing. Also, I see an involvement or an influence of a third person in your love life, if you are particularly in a long distance relationship or you are away from your partner. So if you are married, this applies for married people also. So if you are married, maybe you are in one town, or the your spouse is not living with you, spouse is with parents, or spouse is living separate. I see a lot of influence of third party in your relationship. Okay, so do not share your feelings or your what is going on in your personal life easily with people just like that. Okay, um, I see some sort of mental confusion in the month of April for Aquarians. uh, I also advise looking at the star card that you have to isolate yourself for some period. You have to let the healing, be processed. You have to gather your energies and, hope. Never leave hope, and choose wisely. As the card very rightly said, that choose wisely what you're doing in your love life, choose wisely what you are sharing with others. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thanks, Aquarians. Hello, Pisceans. So obviously, if your birthday is between February 19 to March 20, आप Pisceans हैं, मीन राशि के लोग हैं, और ये रीडिंग आपके लिए है. लेट्स सी मास्टर कार्ड क्या कहता है. फाउंडेशन एंड अचीवमेंट्स नंबर 4. ये हमारी थीम है, एडवाइस है. इसी के अराउंड हम वर्क करेंगे, गाइस. कार्ड्स प्लीज़ हमें गाइड करें. पाइसेंस अप्रैल 2022 कैसा रहने वाला है. लेट्स सी द एनर्जीज. ओके, 2 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands. Okay. Okay, so Pisces यानी मीन राशि. Guys, number 4, number of stability and foundation, stable foundations and achievements, and see, you can see rainbow. Okay, everything coming together. Your hard work and your priorities in this month, I can see, are very clear, Pisces. Okay, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, योर जॉब एंड योर वर्क लाइफ. आई फील शायद आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने कोई नई जॉब ज्वाइन की है, या आप रीलोकेट करे हैं, कर चुके हैं, या आप इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रीलोकेशन है. दोनों कार्ड्स मुझे बहुत स्ट्रांगली बताते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं for better opportunities work wise, either you have recently taken up a new option offer work wise wherein you have to relocate, so you are relocating along with your family, or you are just getting interviewed for such a position wherein you have to relocate. Okay, the money obviously is very well. See, I see an infinite flow of money in this period. It's a great period. uh, you are at the peak of performing your duties. I see you enjoying your work. I see you getting into healthy competition at work also. uh, but somewhere I see that you are getting too confrontational, Pisces. मुझे लग रहा है कि आप काफ़ी थोड़े से बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर्टली कमिटेड हैं अपने काम के लिए, और बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन लेकर आ रहे हैं काम पर। लेकिन क्या हो रहा है ना, उसकी वजह से आई सी आसपास के लोग ये एटीट्यूड को पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं। You are getting very ambitious. The entire energy here is telling me extremely ambitious energy. You are working double hard. Somewhere I see you trying to get other opportunities of work for better money, better income. A lot of you are also already doing a lot of jobs. So अगर आप शायद already employed हैं, तो आप extra responsibilities कर रहे हैं, ले रहे हैं, and you are patiently trying to showcase your skills to your superiors, or getting very competitive because you think that आपको इससे काफ़ी opportunities आगे मिलने वाली है, और जो definitely मिलेंगी, but मुझे लगता है somewhere it is creating a very negative competition for you. Okay, so April is the month wherein work wise I see some kind of arguments. Okay, जहाँ पे it is much better, in order for you to win and to reap the rewards of this competition, you go away from conflict. Okay, see, this card is telling me that you have to go towards stability. So there is no point of you getting into arguments. I see that you will yourself also realize this, that there's no point in fighting. You will put your point across very maturely, and then you will move away from the situation, and then you let the others work and showcase your job and talent to your superiors. I see you're very passionate. Both these cards are extremely very apt for your passion and desire, and your professional expertise. Okay, some kind of new skill also which you have recently taken and now you're utilizing it. I see Pisces, शायद आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग हैं जो नया व्हीकल खरीदेंगे इस मंथ अप्रैल में, या नई गाड़ी खरीदने के मतलब प्लानिंग है। कोई रोड ट्रिप भी हो सकती है, स्मॉल रोड ट्रिप हो सकती है। आप कोशिश करेंगे कहीं बाहर जाने की फैमिली के साथ में। Some kind of break also I see you taking, like not a big break, like a weekend break or something. As far as relationship is concerned, I feel that some of you are so busy in your own thing at work that family is feeling ignored and they are taking a back seat. And this month I feel that the energies remain like this only. So yes, you have to take care of the family also. You have to dedicate some time to your people also. But मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं है, मुझे लगता है कि ये पूरा मंथ आप काफ़ी बिजी रहने वाले हैं। आई थिंक कोई नई प्रोजेक्ट में आप हैं, या फिर सम काइंड ऑफ टाइम रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी आप कर रहे हैं, या तो कोई टाइम बाउंड प्रोजेक्ट है आपका। तो आप काफ़ी रश में हैं, मुझे लगता है काफ़ी बिजी हैं, और मुझे एनर्जीज़ लगते हैं काफ़ी फिज़िकल मूवमेंट, काफ़ी स्ट्रेस वाले एनर्जीज़ मुझे नज़र आते हैं। ओके, मुझे having said that you are kind of, because of work, ignoring your family in the next month. Family is very supportive. I feel family will try to support you, your spouse will try to support you. For people who are singles, I feel that there are more than one suitors, or एक से ज़्यादा लोग आप में interested हैं. Okay, and you also are aware of that. Okay, for people who are already in a committed relationship, I feel some kind of new energy or some third person, some new interest is there in your life right now, which is in a very nascent stage, जो बहुत advanced develop नहीं है अभी, but be careful. It could turn into something romantic in future also, which could harm your married life. This is what I can see. um, you know, the numbers that I'm getting, see, 2, 5, 6, 7, all these are telling me that you are moving towards a period of stability. But right now, the month of April, I see a lot of moving and juggling. Okay. um, if you are in a you know, relationship and things are not moving very well, I feel that, you know, mm, I think April may somewhere there will be a mutual separation kind of thing. This more so comes up for uh, people who are, you know, in a steady relationship, wherein, you know, it will be you know, decided mutually that this is not working, and, you know, you go separate, that kind of thing. I don't see any drama here. Also, I feel that there is a lot of you know, work on yourself that you're doing. So maybe, you know, gymming, taking care of your own health, taking control of your own life, and you know, managing 2 3 things at one go is the energy that I see for Pisces, you guys, for the next month. Money wise, I see a great month. Travel wise, I see a great month. New opportunities, I see you are moving towards a stable job. But somewhere I feel lot of competition at work, and you'll do very well. Okay. So Pisces, that's all for today. Thank you so much.